How do you fix Dragon Ball FighterZ is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you want to add -DX11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and make sure to verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you will need to check for your GPU driver updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs you can use the NVIDIA app, or if you have AMD you can use the AMD software. Go to drivers and check if you have the latest driver update installed. And the last thing you'll need to do is install the redistributables. The link for this is going to be in the description. You'll need to scroll down to this table here and make sure to install the 86 and the 64 redistributables installers. And once you're done, it will ask you to reboot your computer. Now after the restart, you will need to launch Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just open up the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.